Guys and dolls, we're here once again. I forgot to introduce to you Sarah Jane. She is my subscriber and then top 1, okay, top 1. So this is the third time she won on my mind guessing game. I'm very much sorry for the delay of awarding of your prize. Okay, and then please bear with that prize, okay? I don't want to show the brand, guys and girls, because it's not a sponsor and it's free if they will see the. But you know what's this? Anyway, so yeah. Would you like to invite our viewers for your upcoming event or what? Or what's?
Sa mga gusto mo rin ng comment yung message yun lang.
So you're don't it's okay. So anyway, so what else?
Follow nyo ko sa dito ko. Ang show sa 21.
Please lower your voice. Okay, so repeat it once again. She has a TikTok channel, guys and girls, so please follow her. What's the name?
Ambisyosa 21.
Ambisyosa 21. Yun lang. Okay. So please watch her, Sarah Jane Ambisyosa 21. We've been known for so long na, but we don't have time as always that we see each other. But she made sure and his husband watch my channel. But is it always or not?
Uy, may ano yan ah. Tignan mo. Makapin yan.
Okay. So what else? What's up in your life? So how was the hugot line before that I read on your post that if you are
Yung parinig.
Oo.
Ganun talaga kami. Pag ano.
I thought on the rocks na kami.
Kala nila ano, walay na
Also,
kami. Pero edge lang. Kasi ganun talaga kami. Ito siya.
for how many minutes? We are 2 minutes now. So anything to add or would you like to greet your family?
Pa-shout out
Sige.
sa anak ko.
What's the name of your anak?
Ito, Benjamin.
Benjamin or
Ayan na, nakapin yan eh.
wow.
O, diba?
So I have the right angle by the way. Okay, thank you.
Nakapin siya. Ano,
So she's just being a silent viewer nowadays, that's why. What else can you share with us? So what have you learned in your life this past few months or this past few days? Yeah, just to share with our viewers.
yung napapanood ko sa
Whatever, general.
ano, tayo masyado magpaka-kampante sa mga bagay-bagay. Dapat tayo handa.
Very good.
Ay, follow mo siya lang.
So what's your message with your loving husband?
Dati lang yun.
Yeah,
Mahal kita kahit di halata.
Oh. For how many years you been? 10 years. Oh wow, a decade. Happy decade anniversary to both of you. Okay. So bye for now. Thank you for watching.